That was so much fun. Ah! What a spot. I kept shuffling my feet though because it was dirt floor in that little cellar or basement. I was scared.
You didn't see all the mice?
No, there was none.
Just a couple rodents snuck up the back of your legs.
No. Here she be.
Oh, we found such a good door, you guys.
Yeah, from the 1920s. How freaking cool. Hi everyone, welcome. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Mark.
And we're the Yo-Hos. Okay, you guys, so story time. As many of you know, we are renovating our ensuite. We were going out of town overnight, so we knew that there was a restore as well as a really old vintage door place. Now, we are putting a pocket door in our ensuite, and we wanted to look for something a little bit different, a little less run-of-the-mill, a little unique to our space, but we had a specific size that we needed to stick to. So we are on the hunt. So we want you to come along with us and check out all these old doors and old goodies. You guys, not this store, but the next store is what I'm really excited about. Now I find with restores or really any thrift stores kind of thing, you really have to go often, and we don't have one in our town to go often enough to really take advantage of that or full advantage of it. I don't know. I just find that it's very hit and miss, but that's okay. We were pretty excited to get going and check out this place and see what they had. I know that they have some really good lighting options here. So we just wanted to take a quick wander through and check out what they had. Ooh. Oh, it's by 31. Oh, look at the little key on the front.
Oh, neat.
This is overwhelming. There's a lot. No, me neither. All right, we can blow out of here. I want to just, what are these? They're hollow. That's cool.
Neat.
Little non-pro tip. If you guys are doing any kind of renovation or any kind of light swap out, painting, anything, any project whatsoever, write a list of anything random that you might need, because this is the place to get it. Very discounted. You really have to have the list because it's very overwhelming when you're in here and you're like looking at everything. It's kind of a sensory overload. Well, that's the way it is for me anyways. I'm looking back on this video thinking, what is that? I didn't see that. Like you really have to look and spend a little extra time going up and down the aisles. Not much here, you guys, but I am very excited to show you guys this next place. Oh, wait till you see all of the good old fun things in this place. So anybody watching this video, we would love to hear from you if there's anything in this store that you think you needed or we should have bought. I don't know. There are so many things in here. Let us know. We're very interested in hearing.
Downstairs.
Oh, okay.
There's 600 doors downstairs.
How freaking cool. We could pass each other toilet paper right through it.
So it already has pocket door primer.
Yeah, some of them do, hey? Oh, it's cold in here.
Yeah.
Ooh, mirrors is fun. Hey, Mark? The mirror one is fun. Where the windows are, it's mirrors. Oh. I'm not walking through there. I'm too scared. I'm a little scared down here.
I'm a little cold down here.
It's freezing, but it's worth it. We have to find one. What dimensions do we need again?
26 by 80.
This place is very organized. Those yellow signs, each aisle has different sizes and they are specific to the sign up on the top of the rafter there. So that was really helpful. Now Mark did tell me, which I didn't hear this, but he said that you could buy the hardware for the door. Now I don't know if that means they take a picture of each door as it comes in and each piece of hardware they catalog per number. Like I don't know how organized they are. So I'd be interested in hearing if that was the case. And because some of these doors are very different, but they do have a massive selection upstairs. Wait till you guys see all the hardware you can ever imagine.
That's only a 25.
That's really cute, but I don't know the
cute.
color. I don't love the color.
We'd have to sand it. By 79. It needs some sanding, but it's got some good bones to it.
26. It's a little guy, 22. Narrowest here, widest back there.
Shoot, man. 26.
Ooh, and it has a mirror.
Oh, wow. Imagine that on the outside.
Yeah. Pretty good.
I know, I like it too. Let's
see the back again. And the opening's even on the right side.
It's perfect size. Like, perfect.
All right, let's do it.
Oh my gosh. All right.
So while Mark and the guy are putting this into the vehicle, I want to show you guys around this place. So come on, let's go have a little look around and check out all the fun little things. You guys wouldn't believe the amount of hardware they have in this store. It's so super cool and so old. You guys, that was so much fun. Shitty.
Oh, we found such a good door, you guys.
Yeah, from the 1920s. How freaking cool. You're like a little bunny. Where's your sticks? Did you see her run back?
No.
She's like, ooh.
noise was.
After being on the
Snowmobile.
all morning.
Yeah.
As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and we shall see you in the next video. Bye! I had to come back out to the restore. They had a couple of sconces, and I needed to come back and get them. They were $3 each. And then there was a 25% off thing today, off all lighting.